Well, we got another package. All right, let's check it out. Good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing or unbagging video. Today we have something from Arktis in the UK. Feel free to check them out. Large variety of items. Arktis in the UK. They also have Arktis USA, and they're also on eBay. So feel free to check out all those different outlets as well. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's see, took some notes. And let's see how we can get this open. Here is Arktis B110 in digital Netherlands combat smock. Let's see if we can get this open. So it's heat sealed, so cut this way. Alright, so we do have a tag here, Arktis, that little topographical logo. There you go, read that for yourself. And a little bit of contact info there. Alright, so this is combat smock. And according to the website, this can be used as part of a triple system. Not included would be one piece, the stowaway shirt called the A192. Combined with this would be a windproof water repellent combination. Or if you combine it with Rain Shield A310, you would have fully waterproof breathable. So again, this is part of the triple system, this being the B110. Let's see. So from what I could research, this is made by Arktis, so it's similar to the Netherlands fractal pattern, which was starting to be developed around 2011 by the Netherlands, as they were trying to explore other camouflage options. But let's see what Arktis came up with here. We can see already we have a hood. I can feel a reinforcing wire right here. You can see the hem around the hood. And you see stitching pattern right here, here, here. Drawstring with cord locks right there. It's already pre-knotted at the end. Keep those from falling off. Hook and latch. The buttons that are attached with the straps versus threads. Get that off later. So let's continue unbuttoning these. See what we got on the zipper here. Continuing. Okay. And there's one button down here. Okay. So we got zipper with the bottom axis zipper as well. How many buttons do we end up with? Nothing at the very top. 1, 2. A wider space here for reach through, 3, and then 4 here at this spot. Bottom hem while we're here, cord locks, pre-knotted on the drawstrings. Separate the zippers there. Plasticized. You can see the logos on the zipper. Maybe. Okay. Labels. More labels. Year of manufacture, 2023. Okay, so what else we got? Let's look at the cuffs real quick. You can see hook and latch, reinforced flap there. Don't feel anything else on the inside there. Again, if this is part of the triple system, they would be the inner liner. Looks like here we have a zipper pocket. And then we also have a button pocket right there in the middle. There is kind of a lining inside the pocket. Continuing downwards, looks like we have this waist drawstring as well as the lower drawstring. The lower pocket also has that kind of lining material, help keep the moisture out. So it should be mirrored on this side as well. You can see spot for rank. Another zipper pocket, button pocket. So it's pretty symmetrical with the rank right there. Don't see too much inventing, and no other inner pockets that I can see. Hopefully not missing anything. Little loop here for hanging. Might need a little reinforcing. Let's see what else. Nothing on the shoulders. On the arm, we got an outer pocket on this sleeve. Looks like it's two portions, so mostly for pens and some sort of instrument. Let's see what we have on this sleeve. This sleeve has nothing on it, so asymmetrical. Looking at the back, you can see how this drawstring is in its own protected sleeve that goes all the way around. And we have a pretty solid back piece with the stitching down the sides there. So have a look there at the pattern. So again, this is from Arktis. Feel free to check them out. A large variety of items. I just happened to pick this one up on a clearance sale, so it was quite the deal. So feel free to check them out, whatever their sale items are or whatever is currently available. This has been another unboxing, unbagging video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious. Videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.